When there are two shooters, surveillance cameras may miss the action, but the guns produce two distinctive sounds. Electrical engineer Robert Maher analyzes the booming echoes of gunshots and studies the millisecond-long sound of a bullet blasting out of the barrel. This helps find a difference from one type of gun to the next. Maher and colleagues at Montana State University created a semicircular aluminum frame studded with 12 microphones. The microphones pick up the sound when one person stands in the center of the frame and shoots a gun. Maher stated, "Each of the different firearms has a distinctive signal." His team is building a database of sounds made by 20 different guns.